complex business environment, knocking down barriers between people and departments is essential for meeting project deadlines, maximizing productivity, and making the right decisions. Sharing data and project information in real time is critical to avoid costly mistakes due to inefficient communication that can be difficult to track. Collaboration between key stakeholders involves a shared vision and an in-depth understanding of the requirements of the project to achieve the goal of delivering the best product experience. Simulia's Simulation Collaborator role facilitates collaborative decision-making across an organization through 3D dashboard access to review, compare, and perform trade-offs between design alternatives. Engineers can share simulation data with stakeholders, enabling them to visualize and compare different design choices on their 3D dashboard. Through shared communities, everyone on the project is kept up to date during the design process. As new information becomes available, decision-makers can evaluate alternatives and perform trade-offs between competing objectives and constraints. Selection of the best design is accelerated by comparing multidiscipline performance metrics across several alternatives and ranking designs based on requirements. Cross-functional teams can work concurrently to provide their perspectives on divergent goals, understand the implications and consequences of trade-offs, react to changes to gain alignment and agreement through real-time informed discussions. Simulation Collaborator delivers easy-to-use tools on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, enabling seamless engineering collaboration between any project stakeholders to make well-informed, traceable, data-driven decisions.